There's never a dull moment in this beautiful city. Let's go explore something cool today.
City of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets me down.
We have made it to our destination, Mercado de Tapinaria. It is a cute little complex right in the old town. Restaurants, shops. We're gonna check one out right now. Let's go.
Salud! We're gonna eat some lunch. To start with, we order some ensaladilla with kimchi.
Ooh, so okay guys, let's try this out here. Oh my god. That is a lot of shrimp chips. So we have, let's see how kimchi it is. It's good. It's a lot different than a normal Russian salad we get here. Usually it's just mayonnaise, potato, tuna. This definitely has some different flavors. Let's do it. Roast beef. Holy crap. That's big. Let's give it a go. Looks like it has some honey mustard. It's very good. Beef is very tender. The sauce is very good with it. It's like a mustard sauce, some arugula. Very good. I don't think I've had a roast beef sandwich since I've been here in a year and a half. Roast beef is not common here, guys. And this feels like it was roasted right here. So very good. And we didn't realize it was going to be so big. This is a double-decker roast beef sandwich. We went on.
Guys, we're not gonna be hungry after this. Look at this chicken. So we were recommended this dish. We heard that it's pretty good. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Ooh, it falls right off. Wow. Get a big bite. It's like some sort of a gravy sauce. I don't know what it is. It's really tasty. So tender. So this is actually a beer chicken after all. So it was marinated with Heineken, garlic, and rosemary, a bunch of other spices. It's delicious, very flavorful.
Whew. All right, guys, that was a much bigger lunch than we thought we were gonna have.
I think we underestimated the portion of the food, so definitely we did not need that much food.
I think we could have skipped the
ensaladilla rusa.
Yeah, the Russian potato salad.
Yeah.
It didn't have that much kimchi flavor, so I was expecting a little more kimchi, but it didn't happen. So since we remodeled our place, we've put virtually nothing on the walls. So we are trying to find something cool that we can put on our walls. So there's a shop that has a bunch of Valenciano art, prints and that type of thing that we're gonna go look at and see if we can find something that we like.
Just walking around the street, just looking at the street art, you never get bored. We'll probably get into another time, but there's also a store. There are a bunch of like famous street artists in Valencia that you can actually print their art on the t-shirt. It's really cool too. Maybe we'll show you guys some other time.
So we are just beside the Valencia School of Design, and it's a really cool little area right here in the old town. So this is one of the most famous street artists here.
Oh, right here, yeah.
Here in Valencia. This is David Lemon.
I don't know if I call it a shop, but you have to pretty much kind of ring a bell to walk in, and he would show us the brochure.
Oh, and here's samples. Okay, this
Yeah.
is samples, okay. The posters are printed all kinds of sizes,
Okay.
Okay.
but mostly the standard sizes that you can buy frames from IKEA. Or Leroy Merlin.
Yeah.
So this is a size 4 by 500.
Okay.
And this is 5 by 700, which is a...
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, I like that. Oh, this is really pretty. The orange.
All right, guys. So we picked up some artwork.
Yes. So the owner speaks fluent English, which will be helpful for you guys if
Yes.
you come here. Their turnaround time is only 1 day.
Yep.
So if you like any arts, go in there. You can order it. You can pick it up next day. So yeah, we're gonna have some artwork. We'll show you guys once we receive. It's always good to be a tourist in your own city. It was just kind of walk around, even without any agenda. It is just so beautiful, and it's, you know, right now is what, January. It's beautiful weather. It's always sunny. So, can't complain.
But we do have an agenda. We are going to go to an American cookie shop.
Yeah, we heard that there's a new place open. Cookies that we don't need, but we think we need. So we're gonna go grab some.
All right, guys, we are here at Keksy Cookies. It is a new shop. It's been open for a couple months, and they specialize in cookies Americano. So we're gonna try some American style cookies. It looks like they also have some cafe mocha. Oh my God, I haven't had one of those in forever. So let's take a look and see what they got.
All right, we're about to try some American cookie and some cappuccino. This place is about 5 months old. If you come to Plaza Ayuntamiento, you'll see the big fountain in that plaza. And if you take a left from there down the alley, you'll see this Keksy cookie.
Marianne, the owner of Keksy, lived in Naples, Florida, and that is where she learned how to make American style cookies. So let's see what we got. Oh, dude, it's in for you.
It's not that easy to find American style cookie here.
No, definitely not easy. This is a traditional chocolate chip. Let's give it a go. Crispy bottom, soft center, chocolatey chippy. It's approved!
This is a matcha cookie with, looks like it has some white chocolate. I love matcha. Buttery, soft cookie, which I love. That's delicious. Pretty good cappuccino too.
Does this count as a health food since it's matcha?
No, it doesn't.
Oh shit.
All right, guys, that's it for today. We are very full, stuffed.
We hope you liked the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our next video.
See you next week.
Adios!